Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. Just wanted to go over real quick what's available from ProCoat and is actually on our counter at the Pro Desk. They have a drying agent which is called Dry Hard, a bonding agent called Bond, and then Amber Plus give you that, oil modified look and tint to a water-based product. If you got a hot, humid day and you're worried about the finish drying, go ahead and put in Dry Hard. All the directions for each bottle are available. The kits themselves are available online. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 800-737-1786. And you can also go to cityfloorsupply.com.